Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox this Mova Z60 Ultra and I'm using this Meta glasses to record this video. So let's see. Ooh. This knife is very sharp, as you can see. I don't even need to push that much, so I have to be very careful so I don't hurt myself. There we go. Oh, this is one of the box in the box. Let me see if I can do it with one hand, or actually two hands. I don't want to ruin this box, actually. I'm gonna use it later on. Let me see from the side. As you can see here, Mova Z60 Ultra roller complete. It's a robot vacuum and mop, which has a auto emptying and mop self-cleaning. Right now I already have a Xiaomi robot cleaner. Is a X10 Plus. Yes, let me see if I can do it. Or maybe I should do the, like most people would do, put it on the side. Maybe. It didn't show anything that you can't flip it over, but just in case, I'm not gonna flip it over, I think. Or maybe I should just, yeah, well, you know, let's ruin this box. It's gonna be a long video, I think, because it's, oh wow, this is very sharp. Nice. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I paid for this with my own money. Also this knife. I'm gonna put you on the side. Here we go. Now we have this Mova Z60 Ultra. Wow, that was... This is... I should use this more often, this knife. It's like smooth as butter. Okay, I'm gonna put you on a side so I don't... Okay. So, what do we have here? This must be the robot. Yes, it's heavy, so this is the robot. Can I... Oh, shiny. There you go. Let's see what's in this. I think this is just a cover for this. Yeah. I had the Z50 Ultra that I bought, but I regret it, so I didn't even use it. I returned it and I got this Z60 instead. I had the Z50 Ultra, but I thought, why not buy the new one? So this one is the Z60 Ultra. Yeah. In this video I'm not gonna set up anything. This is just, as I said, an unboxing of this robot vacuum. Wow, this is a big box for this. There you go. It's aligned, and yeah, it's not that heavy actually. This is the clean water tank, and this must be the dirty water tank. I made a video, if I can see it's the same as this. I made a video on a robot cleaner which had a faulty magnet, and I can see it's the same magnet. So please watch that video, because that video is the same as this Mova. So if you have difficulties with that, please watch that movie. Huh? It has already installed one back. Oh, pretty easy. And this must be the clean, the solution, the floor solution, and this must be the other one, odor for pets. It doesn't make some click noise. No. There you go. This must be the cables and stuff. Let me see. Yeah. Wow, this is huge. Okay, many languages. I don't need that. We have an app, and that's it. We're not gonna use anything else than that. So this is the power cable. Just put this on the side. I thought it had more than. Oh, maybe it. Oh, this is heavy. What is this? I hope it's what I hope. I hope it's what I'm thinking of. Like extra roller maps, pads and stuff like that. Wow, look at this. Mova, I like you already, because I am gonna save some money on this. Push button. Yes, there you go. This is the floor, multi-surface floor cleaner, as I told you guys. You should be careful of this. Yeah, this one goes on the left side, and this one for if you have pets. Neutralize smells. You put it on this side. There you go. I'm gonna put you back. I'm gonna use this tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna make a video of it. So this has 1, 2, 3 extra bags, 2 extra brushes, 3 filter, and 1 pack of this. I kind of forgot the name of it. Well, I'm glad Mova decided that we should have this pack. Okay, now here is the robot itself. I'm not gonna tell you details about the specs of it. People who's watching this video already know the specs of this vacuum. It's only, as you can see, the unboxing of it. As I told you in the beginning, it might be a long video, and I can see it already is. Oh, nice. This one has this Step Master 2.0 that should make it so it can travel over. Travel over thresholds like that. This is sensors, and it's actually looks almost the same as the Mova 50 Ultra, Z60 Ultra. The thing is, well, this one goes up and down, so that's cool. My Xiaomi doesn't have this one going up and down. Let me see how remove before use. Well, I think this might be the end of this video. Just put it back here. It's actually smooth. I'm gonna show you guys my Xiaomi. This is my Xiaomi X10 Plus, and I made a video of. You can see this. This is the clean water, and this is the sensor, the magnet sensor. If you have a problem with that, please watch my other video of how you can fix it. It takes you 3 minutes to fix that. If you have that issue, well, with any robot cleaner that says water is empty or the tank is not filled. This is the Xiaomi one, as you can see. Maybe we should have cleaned this. I'm just gonna compare these two side by side, even though I told you guys it's gonna be unboxing, but anyway, now we are at it, and I'm just gonna show you. Look how dirty this is. I have to change this, but it has a sensor telling me when to change it. Yeah. Look how small this is. No, the same, but there's two. Okay. I'm very excited for this mop because this is not cleaning that well. So I'm gonna. If you guys want me to make another video of this, please comment. I'm gonna. Oh, this is. Yeah, you can see. It's funny. It will tell you when to remove or change this and the brushes and the mops pads, but it didn't tell me anything about one of them are missing. So guys, I hope you like this video. It's pretty long video anyway, so please like and subscribe for maybe more videos like this unboxing of Mova Z60 Ultra.